Hello guys, today I'm gonna show you how to create a Wi-Fi hotspot from your Windows laptop or PC if it is Wi-Fi enabled. So first of all, open command prompt. If you have a command prompt shortcut on your desktop, just right click it, run as administrator. You see this option, just click here, click yes, and you will be shown this window. This is the command line interface of Windows. I'm going to close it to show you guys the other way to open this CMD. So just click the start, write CMD in search option. You will see this command prompt. Right click and run as administrator. Click yes again and yes. This is the command line interface of the Windows. Now follow my code and I'll just uh, tell you the details about that code later, one by one actually. Yeah, so just write netsh wlan show drivers, hit enter and you will see this detail. If it says hosted network supported yes, if it says yes, then you can continue, and if it says no, then it means that you can't make Wi-Fi hotspot from your laptop. So uh, but most of cases it says yes, so just write netsh wlan set hosted network mode equals allow ssid equals, here ssid means the name of your Wi-Fi hotspot which you want to put. So mine is tech stuff, then write key. This key means the password which you want to put or you want to assign to your Wi-Fi hotspot. If you don't put the key, this will be an open hotspot, so anyone can access it. And if you are putting this key, so just remember that this key should be at least 8 characters long. So mine is QWERTY 123, simple to remember, and just hit enter. You will see something code output something like this. Then if you see this output, then it's fine. Proceed with the next command, that is netsh wlan start hosted network. What this command is going to do is this is going to start your hotspot which you have just created in the above command. So just hit enter and you will see that this output, the hosted network started. So just exit this window, and now you have to open network and sharing center, which you can open from by right clicking this Ethernet icon here and open network and sharing center. Just click it and you will see your Wi-Fi hotspot and your internet connection which you are connected to via Ethernet. So it says access type no network access because you have just created your Wi-Fi hotspot, you have just started your Wi-Fi hotspot, but you don't your Wi-Fi hotspot actually don't have any means to connect to the internet. So we just have to share the Ethernet's internet access with the Wi-Fi which you have created. So here see, just remember whatever the name here it is, the third line. Mine is Wi-Fi hotspot. I have just changed from the default one I don't remember the default one at this time, but it will be something like uh, hosted network virtual adapter or something. Just just change. If you want to change it, you can go to change adapter setting and just select this by clicking once, rename this, and you can rename this. Now uh, to reach to the network and sharing center from another way, you just have to go to control panel. When you reach control panel, you can see this icon which says network and sharing center. Just click it and you will end up on this screen again. So to share your internet from this driver to your hotspot, you just click this ethernet, click this properties. You see this sharing tab, click it. Now you see that there are two checkboxes and a drop down menu. Just check the first checkbox, leave the second one, select the Wi-Fi hotspot which you have created, the third line which I told you to remember, whatever the name it was, it will show up in this list. Just select it, press OK. It will just take 2 or 3 seconds. Close it, and close every other pop-up and everything. You will just see that this access type changed from no internet access to internet. It means that you have just shared your internet from Ethernet to the hotspot, and hotspot is ready and online. So you can just test it out from any phone, tablet, or even any other laptop. Uh, and that's it. Thanks for watching. Be sure to like and subscribe. See you soon.